You take it all together, what do you think's happening in Georgia? They clearly reached a legal step where they got the recommendations from this special grand jury. The DA also has sent what in their jurisdiction is done a little differently, but is tantamount to a target warning, target letter to several people. And yet, all that said, months in from the letters and weeks in from the report, we haven't seen any other legal action. Do you think that it is kind of act or sit down time for this DA, or could there be reasonable justifications for this taking months longer?
So, Ari, first of all, I think we want this process to take a while. I mean, we're talking about the potential indictment of a former president of the United States, something that's never happened before in American history. So my hat's off to, the DA and others to thoroughly study the case and then make a determination. Now, given what this grand juror has said, everyone's trying to read the tea leaves. Anyone can read them and make their own views. For me, it does sound like the grand jury has recommended indictment of very high up people, including probably Donald Trump. Now, then it's up to the district attorney. What does she do with that? I think the evidence is very strong, and I think the idea that you can just let this skate by. Be one thing if Trump showed some contrition, I did something wrong here, anything like that. He's never done anything. He's never accepted responsibility. And on something so grave, something in which a Georgia election official back, even before that phone call in December said, look, Mr. President, you better stop doing this kind of stuff. Someone's going to get shot. Someone's going to get killed. And he kept on doing it anyway, Ari. I think that's the problem for the district attorney. I don't think anyone who's a prosecutor wants to go and, get the former president. It's no fun for them. It's not it's not like what they signed up to do, to go after a president of the United States. But that's the job. And if you're handed, a bunch of crimes and a recalcitrant individual who is not willing to accept responsibility for what he did, the rule of law is the rule of law. And, it means that it's got to be enforced. So I suspect we will see an indictment of the former president.
You think, based on these facts, that's where it's headed in Georgia?
Yeah, it'd be a hard thing to look the other way. So far I haven't seen anything exculpatory that says he didn't do it. I know he's calling his phone call perfect, but, that isn't worth particularly very much. And I think that the evidence in that call and elsewhere really demonstrates something that is on the law-breaking side of things.